VS Code editor open. Now first of all we create the HTML file. Now click here to create a HTML file. Click name of the file index.html. Now click here. Let's first of all we write the structure of the HTML. First of all we write doc type HTML. Now opening the HTML file in head, and now we write the body. Inside body we write all the things are displayed in the browser. Let's here type first website. Now click here, right click, open with live server, or you can copy this path. Where is copy this part and open to browser. One second, open to browser and paste all the this path. Display here your. When we change the anything in the body section, it display. Let's see here, type I dynamic coding with Amit. Let's go to the browser and refresh the page. Let's see it, this change now. And let's see one of the simple p tag, paragraph tag. It write in lowercase letter my paragraph tag. Let's see it, refresh the page and see this font is so very small. Now we can see the one of the basic most important tag, heading tag. Let's see. First of all we write the h1 heading. Inside HTML comment are displayed in the form of a this opening bracket, and inside the exclamatory mark dash dash 2 times or 3 times it display these types of comment in this side. Let's heading. Now let's see heading h1. There are 6 types of heading: h2 and h3, h4, h5, h6. These are the all the heading tag. h1 is very large size, h6 is very small size. Let's see with demo. Type something. Let's type heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Let's see it with the now in the browser. Refresh the page. Now see h1 is very large size, then is smaller than h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. h6 is very small. These are the heading tag, and also these are paragraph tag. Now in the next video we are create a simple HTML first project. Let's thank you for watching.